Audit Briefing by David Middlebrooks SATC420 November 10th, 2020 Module 4 assignment. The location that we're going to be doing the audit on is Big Money Refinery. The time would be December 1st, 2020 through December 20th, 2020, 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. each day. And then the location would be the refinery itself, Big Money Refinery. Audit objective. The audit will be on the design, review, and management of change process in the refinery. There will be a new contact tower being installed and changing of some of the safety device on the other towers. Therefore, we're going to have to look at the ANSI standard 512 design, review, management of change. We're going to have to meet new procedures. They're going to have to meet the standards of the ANSI Z10. Criteria and scope. The new equipment is going to be installed, which therefore they must meet the Z10 standards with the management of change review element, which is in regards of the of looking at all the different procedures and making sure that they're corrected and not just left the way they are. And then the team will be looking at the following on the next slide. So the team will be looking at the task and the health and safety hazards associated with performing the task, hazards regarding human factors, control measures, the regulations, codes, standards, current procedures and designs, new procedures and designs. This is all in the ANSI Z10 part of the management of change review. So we're going to have to look at all these and make sure that they're corrected and according to the new devices that are being installed, and making sure the procedures match up with that, and we're going to try to mitigate any risk that are associated or that could happen with the new design, and what threats or hazards the new design could impose, and try to get rid of all the old stuff that's kind of irrelevant to the new equipment. The audit team, there will be a team of 4 on the health and safety hazards, human factors, and control measures. So this team will be looking directly at that, trying to reduce any kind of hazards that that can occur from the new design process, as far as like making sure that all the correct procedures on how to work on certain equipment, how to operate the certain equipment, such as the contact tower, what kind of safety devices, how they should be tested, and how often, and different standards as far as that. A team of 6 will be on the working on the new procedures and current regulations, codes, and standards that are associated with those safety devices, or the process of installing them. We will be working with the refinery engineers, operators, and management assigned by the refinery. These are the resources that we're going to be using for the audit plan. ANSI Z10, Design Review and Management of Change, procedures, designs, manuals, and the work practices of the company. So therefore, we're going to make sure that whatever they have on there is what they're going to, whatever procedures that are required or made up during this process, we're going to make sure they have it in their actual procedures, and then that they stick to it. The designs, we're going to make sure that everything is designed the way it is written on the actual design plans. Same thing for manuals. And then the work practices, we're going to make sure they meet the company work practices and that they're actually following the work practices.